Money. It's one of the most emotional topics we deal with. Some avoid it completely. They bury their heads in the sand, hoping bills will magically disappear. Others chase it non-stop, thinking more money will solve all their problems. But here's the real secret. It's not just how much you earn, it's how you manage it. You know the feeling, payday hits and it feels amazing. For about 5 minutes. Then it's gone. A new phone here, a fancy dinner there, maybe some clothes you to have. This, my friends, is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the fastest ways to stay broke. The good news, this one's fixable. First, track your income. I use an app, but a spreadsheet works too. Next, budget your spending. Give every dollar a job. Needs, wants, savings, it all needs a category. And finally, remember this. Impressing others with your stuff isn't worth sacrificing your financial peace. Trust me. Let's talk about those little habits that drain your bank account, your health. A daily cigarette habit? That's over $3,000 a year, easy. Think about it. That's a vacation, or a used car, or a big chunk of a down payment. And it's not just cigarettes. Vaping, alcohol, drugs, these things add up, fast. We often overlook these expenses because they feel small in the moment, but trust me, small habits have big consequences. Your wallet and your lungs will thank you for kicking these habits to the curb. Look, life is unpredictable. Your car decides to die on you. You lose your job out of the blue. Your basement floods. Crazy stuff happens, and it usually costs money. If you can't cover a $400 surprise expense without going into debt, you're one emergency away from a financial crisis. That's why you need an emergency fund. This isn't your fun money or your new phone fund. This is your safety net. Start small. Even $50 a month is better than nothing. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Build that cushion before life throws you a curveball. Chapter 4. Only one source of income. Diversify or get wrecked. Imagine your income like a tree. If that tree only has one branch and it gets chopped down, you're done. No more fruit. But if you have multiple branches, you've got backup. That's why you need multiple streams of income. Whether it's a side hustle, freelance work, investing, or starting a small business. Find ways to diversify your cash flow. Trust me. When you're not relying on just one paycheck, you'll sleep a whole lot better at night. Chapter 5. Get rich quick schemes. Don't be a fool. Let's be real, we've all seen those ads promising overnight riches. The secret crypto strategy, the foolproof pyramid scheme, the guaranteed real estate system. Here's the truth. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Fast money usually means fast regret. These schemes prey on your emotions, your fear of missing out, your desire for quick wealth. Don't fall for it. Use logic, not FOMO. Real wealth is built over time through hard work and smart decisions. Chapter 6. Investing without research. That's gambling, not investing. So your friend at work told you about this amazing stock tip, and now you're throwing your life savings into it? Hold on a second. That's not investing, that's gambling. Real investing means understanding what you're putting your money into. It means researching the company, the market, the risks. It means having a plan, not just blindly following the crowd. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Learn before you leap. Chapter 7. Saving is good, investing is better, beat inflation. Look, saving money is important, but here's the thing. Inflation is a silent wealth killer. If your money is just sitting in a savings account earning 0.1% interest, it's actually losing value over time. That's where investing comes in. Investing allows your money to grow at a rate that outpaces inflation. Start small. Index funds, real estate, even micro-investing apps are great options. The key is to get your money working for you, not just sitting there collecting dust. Chapter 8. Credit cards are incredibly convenient. They're also incredibly dangerous if you don't use them responsibly. The problem is they make it too easy to spend money you don't have. Swipe now, cry later. We've all been there. One way to combat this is to try paying with cash more often. When you physically hand over those bills, you feel it. It helps cut down on those impulsive purchases. Remember, credit cards are a tool. Use them wisely, and they can work in your favor. Use them recklessly, and you'll be paying the price for years to come. Chapter 9. Let's be real, taking risks can be scary. But here's the thing, risk is part of the journey, especially when it comes to building wealth. The key is to take calculated risks. Leaving your money in a savings account forever might feel safe, but it's actually the safest way to stay stuck. You're not going to achieve financial freedom by playing it safe. Don't fear the market, understand it. Do your research, diversify your investments, and don't be afraid to take some calculated risks along the way. Chapter 10. Having all your money jumbled together in one account is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to find something specific in a messy junk drawer. Impossible. Instead, set up multiple bank accounts, one for bills, one for your emergency fund, one for fun money, and one for long-term savings that you never touch. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Give your money a purpose, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to manage. Like what you learned? Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to smarter money. We're covering everything from investing to side hustles to real estate and more. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about making smart decisions consistently. And we're here to help you every step of the way. Your future self will thank you.